Students, welcome to the next video of Hornbill related to lesson 5, the alien planet, the green movement. The alien planet, the green movement's role. I am here, Rajesh Kumar Singh, your English teacher, Divine Public School, Monapur, Gorakhpur. Students, very important chapter related to the world's burning problem of environment. These chapters throws light which are connected to the life of human beings day to day. Before starting the chapter, let us see what is in this chapter. This chapter, the alien planet, the green movement's role, throws light on the facts that are responsible for the declining health of the earth. As you know, alien means the person who is not healthy and suffering from some disease. The person who is suffering from any kind of disease, then that person is ailing. And our earth, who is considered as a living organism, is not feeling healthy due to undue interferences of human beings, and its effect can be seen on the different activities of the human beings, who is now facing different kind of catastrophes, disasters in his day-to-day life unexpectedly. Here, the chapter Alien Planet, the green movement's roles, throws light on the facts for the declining health of the earth. This chapter was basically an article written by Nani Falkiwala, which was published in the newspaper The Indian Express on 24th November 1994. The issues that the writer has raised regarding the devastating health of the earth are still relevant, are still connected to the problems of today, caused by undue interference of human beings in the earth environment. Here, in this chapter, the writer discusses the green movement, how a Jew in Zambia declared human beings as the world's most dangerous animals. The writer also throws light on the problem of overpopulation and deforestation, and what should be our responsibility towards the environment. These are the chief facts, chief problem which has been discussed in the favor of ours, that is human beings, to save ourselves, to save our green planet earth. Let us see summary of the lesson. In this chapter, the writer raises an issue regarding the declining health of the earth. As we, the human beings, have been exploiting the natural resources from decades, from many years, now have made the condition of earth environment critical. As though the people of the world have been exploiting, have been using the natural resources from many years, but in these recent decades, the speed of exploiting the natural resources have been increased so much that the conditions of Earth's environment has reached the level of critical. In 1972, the Green Movement helped the environmentalists to raise awareness about the harmful condition of the earth, and since then the Green Movement has been no looking back, as the movement has been successfully educating people about the conservations of the environment and its resources. Earth is like a patient whose health is declining, and it is our duty to improve it. In 1987, the term sustainable development was used by the World Commissions on Environment and Development. A zoo in Lukasa, Zambia has a cage in which a sign reads, "The world's most dangerous animal," and inside there is a mirror. It gives a message that human beings are the most dangerous animals. Branded Commission raised a question: are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished, stark landscapes, and ailing environment? This is the questions which are very important. Students, I think you have got the very gist of the lesson, what is in and what has been discussed. Now see the explanation of this lesson paragraph wise. Paragraph first, as I have mentioned, paragraph according to convenience of myself, as paragraph first, second and third has been included in one paragraph. Line starts in my paragraph from "one cannot recall" to "future generations." Students, see reading and mind it. If you feel any problem, you can consult on the allotted date and time of the week. One cannot recall any moment in world history which has gripped the imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago. In 19 shifted one hopes irrevocably from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. It is a shift in human perceptions as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind to the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. For the first time in human history, there is a growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and vital process which need to be respected and preserved. The earth's vital sign reveal a patient in declining health. We have begun to realize our ethical obligations to be good stewards of the planet and responsible trustees of the legacy in future generation. Now, students, see some difficult words related to this paragraph. As gripped means taken control over. Irrevocable, that is used about a decision our action, etc. Okay, as the action, the decision that cannot be changed or reversed. The action that cannot be changed or taken back, this is irrevocable. Okay, let us use this word in sentence. Think carefully before taking this irrevocable step. Think carefully before taking this irrevocable step. In sense of a moment. Now, a moment, that is a general change in the way people think or behave. A general change in the way people think or behave. Let us use this word in sentence. There has been a movement away from the materialism of the 1980s. Again, there has been a movement away from the materialism of the 1980s. Second word, a group of people who have the same aims or ideas, etc. For example, I support the animal rights movement. Here, the meaning of movement must be clear to you. Okay? Relevance means connected to or related to. Let us see next word, revolutionary. Movement and revolutionaries both look similar, but they have some meaning. As revolutionary means producing great changes, very new and different, that is revolutionary. As a revolutionary idea means the idea able to produce differences, great differences, which were prevailing in the society earlier. Now they are changed. As a revolutionary new scheme to ban cars from the city center. Revolutionary scheme to ban cars from the city center. Second word can be used, that is connected with a political revolution, as the revolutionary leaders. Next word, see metabolic, that is related to the chemical changes process in plants or animals that change food into energy and help them grow. That is called metabolic. That is the process of metabolism. I think the students of biology understands better way, and you also, every student who have passed out 10th now in intermediate classes understands the metabolism, the metabolic system of the plants as well as animal, in which the process of changing the chemical changes, the process of the chemical changes in plants or animals that change food into energy and help them to grow. Let us use this word in sentence. An athlete has a faster metabolism than most ordinary people. Okay? An athlete has faster metabolism than most ordinary people. Now see the next word, vital. V-I-T-L, vital. Vital. You might have heard vital power also. Okay, vital power. Vital. It is an adjective and it means very important or necessary. Vital means very important or necessary, which cannot be avoided. A person who possesses vital power, the person who possesses vital power means the person is full of energy and lives a lively life. Okay, let us use this word, Practice is vital if you want to speak a language well. Practice is vital if you want to speak a language well. Vital information or vital informations, whatever you can say, that pronunciation might be different. Minute, vital information. Okay. Proceed on the next word. Preserve means to keep something safe or in good condition, as they have managed to preserve most of the wall paintings in the caves. Reveal, R-A-V-E-L, reveal means to make something known that was secret or unknown before this time. Reveal, revelation means to make something known that was secret or unknown before this time. Ethical. Next word, ethical, that is connected with beliefs of what is right or what is wrong. This is called ethical. The word ethics comes from this word ethical, or I am sorry, ethical comes from the root word ethics, and ethics is known as Niti Shastra in our ancient scriptures, and this deals with the beliefs what is right or wrong. Okay, that is known moral also. Here let us use this word, that is an ethical problem. That is an ethical problem. Okay, or second word, ethical means morally correct. Although she did not break the law, I am using this word ethical. Okay, although she didn't break the law, her behavior was certainly not ethical. Okay, steward, a man whose job is to look after passengers on aircraft, a ship or a train is steward. Okay, in ancient time the work of the steward was to look after the horses came into the theaters, etc. That was also steward, and the person who are appointed to look after the horses, their well-being, etc., they were also called steward. But in modern concept, steward means the man whose job is to look after passengers on aircraft, in a ship or in train. Okay, a person who has to, next word, steward, a person who helps to organize a large public event, for example a race, etc. Trustee, new word, trustee, a person who looks after money or property of somebody else is trustee. A person who looks after money or property of somebody else is trustee. Legacy, money or property that is given to you after somebody's death. Money or property that is given to you after somebody's death because he or she wanted you to have it. This is called legacy. Okay, now let I explain this paragraph to you. The paragraphs are very difficult, words have been very sophisticated, so I have to explain these things very well to make the sense of the words clear to you, so that you should have proper grip over the words. Now let us see the explanation of this paragraph. The chapter raises the burning problem of environmental catastrophes caused by the human beings selfish interferences in the vital process of nature, that is earth. As the author reminds us by saying that there is hardly anyone who can remember any moment in world history which has taken the control over the imagination of the entire human race so firmly, so completely, and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started approximately 25 years ago. The world's first nationwide Green Party was established in New Zealand in 1972. Since then, the movement has neither stopped nor has looked back to see or seek support from anyone to anywhere. We have changed our hopes, that is, the source of well developed, healthy environment of human beings with plenty of everything. We have changed our hope from the materialistic and mechanistic view to achieve healthy development to a holistic, that is sacred and ecological view of the world. It is a change in human understanding and in his perceptions which is so revolutionary that can be compared by the discovery of Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. For the first time in human history, there is a worldwide growing awareness and consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism, a very big organism of which we are the parts. It has its own living process and its needs and requirement, its vital methods that need to be respected and preserved for its healthy existence. The earth's living symptoms reveal a patient in deteriorating health. We have begun to realize our moral duties, that is, our moral thankfulness, by having a view towards it of an overseer. As an overseer or a steward looks after a sheep or train selflessly without attachment, in the same way we have started to realize our moral duty to be good caretaker of the planet and responsible trustees of the rich earth resources got as legacy to the future generation. Thanks. See you in next video of this lesson.